A very good morning to you, my dear boys of class 5. This is Rabuni Mojumdar, your English first paper instructor. So boys, welcome back to my new class, and today I am going to start my regular class. That means today we are going to start our class from your textbook, okay? And before starting the class, boys, I would like to say that all of you have two copies. One is for CW and another is for HW. So in CW copy you have to write each and everything that we are going to take classes, okay? And in HW copy you will write only the HWs. And another important thing that you have to complete your work every day, because after 1 month or 2 months we will collect your copies. That's why if you don't write it regularly, it will be a burden for you. That's why every day you have to complete your CW and also your HW, and you have to submit your HW in the comment box, comment section of my post, okay? So boys, let's go for our today's class. And one more thing, that is, now I am teaching almost 6 sections, okay? 2 sections in English version and 4 sections in Bangla version. So I hope all of the boys are going to cooperate me, because we have nothing to do except taking online classes, and you know how to comment and how to write down your name, role and section, and it is your duty to write it properly, okay? So boys, I hope all of you are going to enjoy my class. And another thing, I am not only the teacher, I told you before, so you have to do all the classes of all the teachers, okay? So boys, no more talk, let's go for our today's class. I am going to start our class with unit 1 from your textbook. So take out your textbook and also your CW copy, okay? So boys, sorry, I am going to start your lesson with unit 1, and by watching this video you will be able to know how to introduce yourself with a new person and also new friend, okay? So let's go for it.
Read and say. Hello, may I introduce myself? I'm Shima. Hi, I'm Jessica. Where are you going, Jessica? I'm going to Chittagong. I'm on holiday with my father. Really? Where are you from? I'm from United Kingdom. Are you from Dhaka? No, I'm from Sylhet. That's where we are going. Our train is leaving in 10 minutes. Have a good journey. Thank you. Nice meeting you, Jessica. Have fun in Chittagong. Thanks. Nice meeting you too, Shima.
So boys, all of you have watched the video. Now I am going to show you something. There are some questions, okay? There are some questions from this text, and by watching this text and also by reading this text, we will be able to know how to introduce yourself, okay? This is our first chapter from your textbook, and this is about the introduction, okay? So now you have to write these answers in your CW copy. That is, number 1, where is Jessica going? Number 2, why is Jessica going there? Number 3, where is Jessica from? Number 4, is Sima from Dhaka? Number 5, where is Sima going? Number 6, when is Sima's train leaving? Number 7, where are Sima and Jessica? So boys, these are the question answer, and you have to write it down in your HW copy. You can collect the answers from the text, okay? And one more thing, you have to read all of the text by yourself, okay? I have shown you a video. That doesn't mean that your duty is complete, because you have to know how to read out the text, okay? So boys, write it down in your HW copy and submit it in the comment section. Now I am going for another lesson, that is lesson 4 and 5 from unit 1, okay? So boys, the question answer was from unit 1, lesson 2 and 3. Now I am going for lesson 4 and 5.
Shima and Tamal are in the town hall language club. They come to the club to practice speaking English. They listen to CDs and watch DVDs in English or speak English with friends. Today there is a new person in the club. He is a young man. He is reading a book about Bangladesh. Look, Taman, who's that gentleman? Do you know him?
Yes, that's Andy Smith. He's working with an NGO here. I met him yesterday at the bookshop.
Maybe we can practice our English with him.
Good idea. I will introduce you to him. Come with me.
Read and say from Activity E of
So boys, this text is about lesson 4 and 5 from unit 1. Now there are some question answers and these question answers also will be done by you. Okay, so number 1 is, where are Sima and Thomal? Number 2, why do they go there? Number 3, who is the new person there? Number 4, what is he reading? Number 5, where did Thomal meet the new person? Number 6, why does Sima want to meet the new person? So boys, these are the questions, and when you are writing the question answer, be careful about the tense. Okay, so you can see that where are Sima and Thomal, this is in the present tense. Why do, this is in the present tense. And number 5, where did Thomal meet the new person, this is in the past tense. So by identifying the verb or the auxiliary verb, you will be able to know which question is in the past tense and which in the present tense. Okay, so are, we know that we use are in the present tense, do also in the present tense, is present tense, then does present tense, but did in the past tense. So there is an indication of past tense, that's why you have to write the answer also in the past tense. Okay, I will discuss it later when I will give you the answers. First of all, you have to write the answers by yourself, and in my next class I will give you the answers and you have to match your written answer with my answers. Okay, now I am going for another lessons, that is lesson number 6 and 7 from unit 1.
Hello, Andy. Hi, Thomal. How are you? Fine, thanks. Andy, meet my friend, Shima Zaman. And Shima, this is Andy Smith.
Hello, Mr. Smith.
Hello. Please call me Andy. And can I call you Shima?
Sure.
Please sit down. Let's chat.
So boys, this is all about your unit 1. Okay, now I am going to give you some true false matching and question answer. Okay, so get ready for our today's CW. So those things that I have given you a few minutes ago, you have to do that in your HW copy. Now